Okay, we're flattening a nested array. We have our function Steamroller, which has to remove all levels of nesting and give a uniform array of each element being a true element, not being an array. So let me write the pseudocode first. So okay, something like this. Like first we gain access to each element, then we check if element length is undefined, then we return a single element array comprised in the single element array. Else we go to the top, we repeat. So something like this for let I equals 0 for accessing each element up until the last, prevent the I, and then we go, and then we, okay, so we can access each element now, and if element's length is if or length is undefined, return I. Right. Else oh god. If not access each element within this, else we access, when we repeat. Let's see if it would work. I and then and this element has undefined length. So we return this very well. And here we say steamrolling error. I. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. For the first element, we access this, error I. this function should not return, but rather it should if we return, this is going to be just one element of one array, but we're not supposed to return. Change array, we get a change array. So this would be some steamrolled array. Define it over here. I need to define this element. And we go here. Let's say all the elements are all the elements are elements. Then it won't ever go there. So we need to concatenate. Let's define as an empty array. Okay. So steamroll array. And we, let's say, one, two, three, I0 accessing 1. One's length is undefined. We concatenate. You can also push. Let's go with concatenating first. So this plus this is going to be just array I. Alright. We don't go over here. We next go to the I equals to 1 loop. In I equals to 1 loop, we'll be accessing the single element array 2. And this length is not undefined, so we go over here, steamrolling, bracket 2, and steamroll array 2. Array 2 has single length, I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I is less than 1, true, accessing 2, length is undefined, steamroll array dot concatenate 2. That is just, we get 2. We come out of the loop, we store the array, and we return the steamrolled array. That is, this function returns single element array 2. Now after it has whatever it has returned, we need to add it as well. So we didn't do that. So we'll say steam rolled array dot con now equals steam rolled array dot concat steamroll array. We add element 2. We've added element 2. Great. Now we're going to the third element, or I equals to 2. That is the third element in the original array, and that is 3 comma. That is the 2 element array, first element being 3. So this element length is again it's defined. So we got the else, go to the else part, and we steamroll it again. It should say steamrolling 3 comma 4, right? 3 comma 4. Steamroll 3 comma 4. Steamroll root steamroll concat steamroll array 3 I. Let's say steamroll array contact steamroll array. It accesses the subarray 3 comma 4. We access 3. It's undefined. We steamroll it. First element we steamroll array concat array. That would be. This needs to be an array as well. So we add 3 to the empty array. 3. Alright. We go to the second element, I equals to 1. That is a single element array 4. And that is again defined. Length is defined there. We steamroll 4. Steamroll array equals steamroll concat 4. But this is a single element array, so we returned its steamroll array. So for 3, we get 3 comma 4. I think this would work. Oh god, it's an infinite loop. Oh my god, what am I doing wrong? It's stuck at steamrolling 2. We access, let's see, we access 1. And then we're going to find length. All equals steamroll.concat array. It's also print array. We also print it here. Okay, so I equals to 0 happened, and then we go to the I equals to 1, which is single element array 2. And let me just comma, and yeah, saying 1, this element is in point length 1, accessing 2, steamroll 2, and now it's stuck at 2. So I equal to 1. Concat steamroll array of array. Oh my god, what am I doing? Say it worked, man. I had some. Okay, so yeah, we were done. That's just basically it. I mean, I had spelled out the pseudocode earlier. Repeat and add. I mean, I need to add this. Add the returned array to the. Save the returned array. So you see, when you spell out the whole thing, it's not going to be returned. Save this single element array. After going through each element, we return the array. Okay, so this didn't work. A comma B didn't work. We have A, and we have B. So it's again stuck at an infinite loop. So, okay. I think I concatenate it here. It's not going to the undefined portion. Let's see. Accessing bracket of bracket A I equals 0. Arrow length is completely defined. So we go over here, steamroll this. Steamrolling A. Steamroller array equal to steamroller.concat steamroller array of array I. That is we access. So maybe dot length undefined is not a good test of an array. Because a string is an array. Can be a string. Man, I'm lost here. Can't figure it out. We've passed few tests, but we didn't account for the fact that I had earlier checked. There's this third test, this one, where we have an object. I had earlier checked that this length is also undefined. But this length, it has a length. String has a length. Completely defined. Do we have an array? Do we have a JavaScript array check? I don't know about jQuery. See, there's an isArray method. Okay. Array.length is undefined, means this is not an array. So we'll say this. We're back again. See, we access first element. If ri.isArray, ri What? I'm using it wrong. Okay, we're done. Pretty much it. That's it. I think it'll pass now. Yeah. Okay, that was a long video. I hope it helped. Thank you.